One of the elements that can bring an element to life or simply ruin it visually is the correct usage of a shadow. Now, you can create shadows in Webflow, and we already covered this in a previous video, but it's particularly hard to create realistic shadows outright of the box. So in this video, I want to share with you a app which is called Better Shadows, which is going to allow you to create these really nice looking shadows. So what we're gonna do is we're going to add some realistic shadows right here. And by the way, if you simply Google Better Shadows, you can find immediately this plugin right here, which you can simply install. The moment that you click on install app, it's going to ask which of the website and what workspace you want to install it to. So simply select one and then click on authorize app. In this case, I already have it installed, so it's already ready to go. And what you need to do is to simply select any element and access this plugin via the app section. So click on launch under Better Shadows. And as you can see, this pop-over is going to appear, or this pop-up model. And as you can see, it's going to be quite easy to start adding shadows in this design, which again, these shadows are particularly hard to achieve if you're simply utilizing the box shadows default section. So you can play around with the light position, the distance, even the sharpness, and most importantly, I would say also the color, because that is really going to help you achieve those smoother shadows, which are going to really make a difference in the way that the design is visually perceived. Now, these shadows worked well in uh, elements, but it's also something that works really well when it comes to text. So you can actually select an element, as you can see, before editing, select an element on the canvas. Make sure the element has at least one class. So I'm going to write text shadow. So I'll create this class. And as you can see, now I have the text shadow option available. So very similarly to what we did before, I'm simply going to actually make this more pronounced. So you can see how I can create all sorts of different shadows over here. And there are also presets which are going to be quite useful in order to have a specific effect in just a matter of a click, really. And of course, the same presets are available also in this specific instances. So you can access these presets in order to really maximize the flow. And I mean, of course, this one is going to work much better in different conditions, in the sense that it's going to be good for a dark color background. So, you can actually test them directly here. You can change the background color of this preview box, and then you can also change the color of the actual element so that you can have a more clear idea, even just from this preset, on as to what this is going to look like. So this is pretty much it when it comes to the shadows. And just one thing that I want for you to notice is that it is going to create all sorts of different shadows over here. So you might want to keep this in mind, and if you want to keep the amount more minimal, you are going to need to do some tweaking and understand this beforehand. It's not going to be the most light solution in sense of layers of a shadow. So just a word of caution whenever you're using it. So this is pretty much it. And now let's move on to the very next video.